There are hundreds of HR software solutions out there, so why is it still so hard to find one that truly fits your business? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why and discover the brand new HR tech approach that solves it. Let's zoom out for a second. HRIS stands for Human Resources Information System. It's the software that manages everything from employee records, leave, onboarding, offboarding, performance, and compliance. Traditionally, HR teams are stuck choosing between two approaches. On one side, you've got all-in-one systems. These are single vendor platforms with a bit of everything, but they're often clunky, hard to customize, and slow to evolve. It's a one-size-fits-all deal. On the other side, you've got best-of-breed apps. They're flexible, unlike the all-in-ones. They are tools that go deep on specific needs, but they don't play nicely together, leaving you with data silos and a disjointed experience for your team. So HR leaders are left deciding which downside they can live with the most. Do I choose something that doesn't fit? Or do I choose something where my data is a mess? Let me explain why this is a problem. Take Company A, for example. They want to nail core HR, the essentials like employee records, onboarding, time off, the stuff 99% of businesses need, but they also need a fit-for-purpose payroll system, something that suits their industry's quirks, and on top of that, they'd like to roll out some non-core features, performance reviews, something that is the right balance of intuitive and flexible. They also will want some of these other non-core features like timesheets, engagement, and so on later as their business evolves, but not now. So how does the all-in-one approach look? They get a one-size-fits-all that just doesn't fit. Those extra features they didn't need, they come bundled in anyway, making the platform overly bloated, confusing, and expensive. Worse still, they're forced to use a generic core HR and payroll that don't have the right amount of feature depth and flexibility. So they're forced back to spreadsheets and manual workarounds. So maybe Company A tries the best-of-breed route. Great core HR features? Tick. Great payroll tool? Tick. Performance review? Well, it's overly complex for their needs. But worse still, now they've got 5 platforms, 5 logins, and 0 consistency. Data lives in silos, workflows get messy, the employee experience takes a hit. Neither option works for Company A, and they aren't alone. It sounds all too similar. Enter the next-gen approach. Here's how it works. It starts with a comprehensive set of flexible and deep core HR features. Then, depending on your business needs, add on optional modular extras that are flexible and intuitive. Then, for niche requirements that only point solutions can solve, plug and play your favorite apps with two-way integrations. No bloat, no compromise. It's a perfect fit, whether you're an education business, construction business, hospitality business, healthcare business, any business for that matter, NextGen fits your unique business perfectly. So, to recap on the problem here, every company's HR needs are different, but all-in-ones treat them all the same. Best of breed is disjointed and complex. The key to NextGen and why HR teams are adopting this approach this year is no matter how business requirements evolve over time or how much requirements differ from one business to another, it's a perfect fit and it enables HR teams to do great things. WorkNice is Australia's first and only NextGen HRIS. Let's give you a demo or reach out and I can share some great resources like a map of the HR technology market, a copy of the presentation I used today in this video, and don't forget to visit our reviews and awards page to get a sense of just how the market, your peers, are responding to this new way of working.